So I just realized the amount of shoes I have and how I love my shoes differently. Dumelang sweetie, thank you for coming back. The amount of shoes I have and how I love my shoes. Let me stand here. And how I love my shoes differently, right? So I just decided to continue packing, right? Today is a Tuesday. I came back from home. Hi guys. Hi, sorry. I came back from home yesterday, which was Monday. And I'm not sure if I'm continuing this vlog or if I closed it or what's going on. But I decided, I think I'm just going to continue. Anyway, why I'm here is to let you know that I just discovered how much shoes I have. And it's quite a lot. I'm going to show you all the boxes of shoes that I have packed so far. Sorry, and what still needs to go inside. Over here, we have this box. This box is not really full, right? It's just that I packed my favorite shoes with its boxes or inside a box, right? So these are my sneakers. These are my sneakers. And I'm not sure where this box is because I've always kept this in a box. But I think the box is somewhere in the house. Unless if I recently threw it away. But this is just sneakers and those pair of shoes, right? And then we have Hello? These are all the shoes that are not in a box yet, right? These are my loafers and heels and everyday sneakers. There's this box, as you guys can see, I've written giveaway shoes. It's full of all the shoes that I haven't worn in a lot of years. So I'm just going to give all of those away. Not sure to who. In my cupboard, there's still like more heels and just heels basically. Yeah, there's just like more heels that I need to take out and pack into a box just now. And then lastly, there's this big box that's full of just like summer sandals, you guys. I didn't realize the amount of like sandals I had because I generally don't buy sandals or wear sandals because where is the summer that I am wearing sandals in? Anyway, good night, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
say you burn forever in hell. Will it hurt forever, or will I get used to the pain? When will these clouds go away, turn into rain? And when will the stars in my head do good instead?
We stayed up till the morning, talking till the first light of dawn. Just like that, without no warning, it hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. What am I supposed to do right now? Baby, I'm falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too. No, I can't hide it no more. What I would do for you to love me too. I try to tell what you were thinking, what you might feel for me. And I know that we've been out drinking. Maybe this ain't for real. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. What am I supposed to do right now? Baby, I'm falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too. Oh, no, I can't hide it no more. What I would do for you to love me too. Baby, I'm falling for you. And what I would do for you to love me too. Ooh, baby, I'm falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too. No, I can't hide it no more. What I would do for you to love me too. Baby, I'm falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too. No, I can't hide it no more. What I would do for you to love me too. Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come is closed in. I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, you know what's up? Your favorite lover, just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up? When you leave me like that, your favorite lover, do me like that. Ooh, just hit me up. When I think about that, I'm coming. I'll be coming right back on. Know what's up? Know what's up? Know what's up? Your favorite lover, do me like that. No, just hit me up. Oh, I'm coming over. Yeah.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me.
specifically a lot of women are struggling with burnout. Do you think we're burning out because we feel like we need to overcompensate? Because inside there, somewhere behind, even though we're doing the work, there's still that little thing sitting there that says, you're not enough. You have to prove you're enough. Yeah, absolutely. A lot, not always, but a lot of people struggle because you want to overcompensate. Sure. It's that wanting to do enough, but you haven't defined what enough looks like.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, baby. They you fade away. Never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart. And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm new. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go.
I hope you guys can see me, but most importantly, I hope you guys can hear me. Hi guys, it's day 3 of this vlog, and I think I'm gonna close off this vlog today, and I'm stressed because I can't speak. So I haven't spoken to you guys since I started this vlog, right? But just a quick update. The packing is going well. I think, okay, not really, like it could go better, but I'm sick. So I take like too many breaks, and I need to get done with the packing because I still need to clean my flat. So yeah, I think I'm running out of big boxes, so I'm going to rearrange some things. Like I'm going to remove my other shoes from a big box because I still have like trench coats and long jackets and coats that I haven't packed yet into a box, and I don't have like another big suitcase, right? So yeah, that's just like an update. I'm gonna show you guys everything, but please bear with me for not speaking to you guys. But yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to leave a like. Just comment with a heart to give me some love and share with your friends. This is not the end of the vlog. I'm just saying my goodbyes because I feel like I can speak a little bit now.
Yeah, so I'm going to make coffee. No, I'm not. Remember you guys 2 vlogs ago when I went to Woolworths and then I only bought one thingy of milk? I forgot. Now I ran out. Now I can't have coffee. So I'm gonna have tea and croissants, and then I'm gonna take a nap because, like, I'm finished. Yeah, and then when I wake up, I'm gonna continue packing. So I'll see you guys then, but I hope you've enjoyed this vlog and continue to enjoy it because this is not the end of the vlog. If you haven't heard me say I love you, thanks, bye, then it's not the end of the vlog. If you haven't seen that thank you card at the end, then it's not the end of the vlog. So please keep watching.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you.
To the rest of my perfumes, you guys. I am so sad because I used to keep perfume boxes. Like, I legit, that's why these are here. I literally kept all my perfume boxes. Let me just do this. I used to keep all my perfume boxes, you guys. And then one day I decided, no, I'm a grown girly. Let me get a tray and throw all the boxes. Even after getting the tray, it took a while. But like, I eventually threw them away. I thought I had kept them up there with these ones, but now I've been looking for them. It means I threw my perfume boxes away. I am so sad.
Can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me